If Google Chrome is not opening on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can get Chrome launching again fast. These steps are easy to follow, beginner-friendly, and they can help resolve common problems like temporary Windows glitches, stuck Chrome processes, permission issues, broken extensions, and even graphics-related startup errors. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when more helpful videos are uploaded. Alright, let's start with the first and easiest fix, restarting your computer. Sometimes Google Chrome won't open because Windows is stuck in a temporary error state and a full restart clears that out. To do this, click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. Once your PC boots back up, try opening Chrome again and see if the issue is gone. This quick step solves the problem more often than you might think. If Chrome still won't open, the next thing to do is close any stuck Chrome processes in Task Manager. Sometimes Chrome is already running in the background, but it's frozen and preventing a new window from opening. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the list of running apps and processes, look for Google Chrome. If you see it there, click on it once, then select End Task. If you see more than one Chrome process, end them as well. After that, close Task Manager and try launching Chrome again. This can immediately fix the problem when Chrome is stuck and refusing to start. Now, if Chrome still does not open normally, try running it as an administrator. Permission issues can sometimes block Chrome from launching properly, especially after updates or system changes. To do this, find the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. This gives Chrome the access it needs to start correctly, and in some cases, that's all it takes to fix the issue. If Chrome opens for a second and then closes, the problem may be caused by a bad extension. Extensions are useful, but sometimes one of them becomes corrupted or conflicts with Chrome during startup. If you can get Chrome to open briefly, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, start disabling suspicious extensions one by one. Pay special attention to ad blockers, VPN add-ons, or any extension you recently installed before the problem started. After disabling them, close Chrome completely and open it again to test whether it starts normally. If Chrome works after disabling an extension, you've likely found the cause. Another useful fix is turning off hardware acceleration, especially if the issue is related to graphics or your GPU. Sometimes Chrome has trouble launching when graphics acceleration is enabled on certain systems. If Chrome opens even for a moment, go into Settings, then click System, and find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that setting off, then restart Chrome and check whether it opens properly. This is a common fix for users who experience crashes, black screens, or instant closing when trying to start the browser. If none of these steps work right away, go back and test Chrome after each one. That way you can figure out exactly which fix solved the problem. In many cases, it's just a simple restart or ending the stuck background process. In other cases, it may be an extension conflict or a graphics setting that needs to be disabled. And that's how you fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video helped you get Chrome working again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.